Hi guys, welcome to Nam's channel. Today we are going to make this cute cream soda together, so let's start it. The very first, we need to make a magic ring, just like this. And then we put our hook in, yarn over once again to one chain. Then put our hook in, yarn over, go through the two loops on our hook. This is our very first single crochet. We can put a mark so we can know where to do the slip stitch later. Then we need to make 5 more single crochet for the first round. So after the 6 single crochet in total, we put this end to close the circle and then take off our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then with one chain to start our next round. The pattern for the next round is our single crochet increase. Put our hook in the mark place. Single crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet, and then put our hook in. We can put this end on top of our hook to carry it, and then yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. And here we can put a mark, and then in the same stitch we need to do 1 more single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. Then we just repeat it, 1 stitch, 2 single crochet to the end. So after the last single crochet increase, we take off a mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. For this round, the pattern is 1 single crochet, bubble stitch, 1 chain, and then we just repeat it. First, we need to do 1 chain to start, and in the mark place stitch, we put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. So this is our first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. Then next stitch is a bubble stitch. We need to do 4 unfinished double crochet in the same stitch. First, we yarn over, and then put our hook into the second stitch, yarn over here. We should have 3 loops on our hook. We yarn over, go through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over, put our hook into the same stitch, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over, put our hook into the same stitch. We need to do it 4 times. Now we need to do 1 more time, and yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, go through the first 2 loops. We should have 5 loops on our hook, and then we yarn over, go through them at once. Then we do 1 chain. We just repeat it. A single crochet, a bubble stitch, and then 1 chain. Now the next one is a single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Then a bubble stitch, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops. Then repeat it 3 more times. Yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops. 2 more times. Last time. Go through 2 loops. We should have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, go through them at once, then do 1 chain. Jump to the next stitch is a single crochet. We just repeat it to the end. After the very last bubble stitch, remember to do 1 chain here, and then take off our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly here with 1 chain, and then snip off. So this is our front face, but for this time we're gonna use the back face on the top. You need to find the slip stitch place here, we put our hook in, and then we grab another yarn color. That's my new yarn color, I really like it. And then press the end on the back like this. The yarn over here, the one chain, and put our hook into the same place. Yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. And remember to put a mark. So that is a single crochet, and for this round we need to do 12 single crochet. Simply like for each bubble we need to do 2 single crochet, and then for this bubble I already did 1 and need to do 1 more. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then the next one, next bubble, 2 single crochet. And then we just repeat. For each bubble we need to crochet 2 single crochet. The place doesn't matter for this round. We just need to crochet 12 single crochet using this color. And then we yarn over and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain to start our next round. Then for the following 4 rounds, the pattern is all single crochet around. We need to do like 12 single crochet for each round. We put our hook into the same stitch, yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. Then remember to put a mark. Then we just repeat 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, and we should have total is like 12 single crochet for each round. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will update weekly. Also, I've linked my Instagram below. You can go check if there is anything you want me to make a tutorial. After the 12 single crochet, take off the mark in the mark place, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do 1 more. To do a slip stitch, we do a chain to start our next round, and in the same stitch put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. We just do single crochet around, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet for 3 more rounds. After finish our last round, we take off our mark in the mark place. We do a slip stitch, pull our hook directly, and then we do 1 chain, leave up, and then snip off. After fill it, we need to close the gap. We put our hook into the center of the stitch, and then skip 1, skip this one, the next one into the center of it, skip 1 into the center of it. Then we just do it one another. Put our needle in the center of the stitch and then skip 1. Just repeat it to the end. After that, just fasten it. And then like this, put our needle in the center of this to go here. Now we are going to do the top cherry part. First, we need to make a knot, just like this, and then put our hook in, yarn over, and then fasten them. We'll do 4 chains first, and yarn over here, back to the very first chain here. We put our hook in, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops. In this stitch, we need to do a double stitch. We yarn over in the same place, put our hook in, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, then do 2 more times. same stitch, yarn over, go through first loops one more time. So we should have 5 loops on our hook. We yarn over, go through them once. Do one chunk here and then snip off. In here, we just tie them twice. And then we can do a little knot in here. And then use our hook, put it from the top, the center in, and grab the one we just make the knot over here. And then we just snip off. Just use the hot glue to glue them together, like this. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.